Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Myself Anam. I am from class MCS second. Today we discuss about the topic why we need new thinking about thinking from the book Teach Your Children How to Think by Edward de Bono. There are many subtopics, so we discuss one by one. Why we need new thinking about thinking. This is very informative and very important topic. It plays very important role in our life. What is thinking? Intelligence is a potential. Thinking is the skill with which we use that potential. Some people say that highly intelligent people are always good thinkers, but not at all. Many highly intelligent people fall into the intelligence trap and functions as poor thinkers. So we cannot say only intelligent people can think good. Less intelligent people are also think good and good thinkers. We spend a lot of time thinking about things does not by itself improve our thinking skills. So, I elaborate this point with an journalist example. A journalist who types with two fingers will still be typing with two fingers at the age of 60. Practice is two finger typing will serve only to make that person a better two finger typist, not a good thinker. So, practice is not enough for good thinking. Information and thinking. Now we discuss about the relationship between information and thinking. Information is very important, easy to teach, and easy to test. It is not surprising that so much of education is concerned with information. Exactly. Thinking is no substitute for information, but information may be a substitute for thinking. Yes. We need thinking in order to make even better use of information that is also available to our competitors. If we follow this point, we can use our information in better way as compared to our competitors. Yes, when we are dealing with the future, we need thinking because we can never have perfect information about the future. It is so that when knowledge is perfect and complete, there is no need for thinking. So, when we deal with future, we need thinking. Information is not enough, we do need thinking. Intelligence and thinking. Thinking is the operating skill with which intelligence acts upon experiences. I elaborate this point with an example. For example, the relationship between intelligence and thinking is like that between car and the driver of the car. A powerful car may be driven badly, a less powerful car may be driven well. The power of the car is the potential of the car, just as intelligence is the potential of the mind. The skill of the car driven determines how the power of car is used. The skill of the thinker determines how intelligence is used. Focus and thinking. Some thinking habit. It is now time to consider focus and purpose. This is another thinking habit. This means that we should routinely be conscious of focus and purpose in all our thinking. Yes, it is very important thinking habit, and if we take this habit in our life, we can become a successful person. AGO, aims, goals, and objectives. What is AGO? AGO is related to the thinking habit of wanting to know the focus and purpose of thinking at every moment. AGO is more concerned with the overall purpose or objectives of the thinking than the moment to moment focus. Yes, this is absolutely right. AGO of different people is different. It means every person has one AGO and it is different to another. Yes. FIP. FIP. First important priorities. Fifth is concerned directly with priorities. Forget about the first important as this is only put there to make fifth pronounceable. With fifth, we direct attention to priorities. What is priorities? The priorities are the guidelines which tell us how we get there. Priorities are things that have to be taken into account. There are a lot of things that are important, but which are the most important we must do a fit exactly. Before you can make a decision, you need to know your priorities. So for this, you do a FIP. The FIP tool is related to the AGO tool and also to focus and purpose because just as we need to know your objection at the beginning, so we also need to know your priorities. Each person has different priorities with other. So I hope you have understand well. So thanks to all and Allah Hafiz.